Today we're going to be working on these things. I can show that adding is putting groups together. I can show the symbols for plus, minus, and equal. I can add and subtract numbers within 10, so 0 to 10. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to count to 100 by 1. So I want you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Way to go, friends. Practice every single day, and you will be able to do that by the end of this year. That is a kindergarten standard, so make sure you are practicing every single day. Maybe if you ride in the car or are brushing your teeth or taking a shower, practice counting to 100 by ones. Another standard for kindergarten is counting by tens. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Way to go, friends. So you want to practice both of those things every single day to make sure you can do that by the end of kindergarten. Today is math story time. This book wasn't written as a math story, but we can always use the pictures in any book to practice addition and subtraction. So the book that we're going to be reading is Snowmen at Night. One wintry day, I made a snowman, very round and tall. The next day when I saw him, he was not the same at all. His hat had slipped, his arms had drooped down. He really looked a fright. It made me start to wonder, what do snowmen do at night? I think that snowmen start to slide when it gets really dark, off the lawn and down the street, right into the park. 2 snowmen in the street plus 1 snowman on the sidewalk. What does that equal? So we're going to have 2 cubes, 1, 2, plus 1 more. How many does that equal altogether? 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Way to go, friends. They gather in a circle while they wait for all the others, sipping cups of ice-cold cocoa made by the Snowman mothers. There are 5 snowmen. 1 walks away. How many are left in the circle? So we have 5 snowmen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 walks away. So are we going to add or subtract? You got it. We're going to subtract 1. Take 1 away, and how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. You are so smart. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Way to go, friends. Then the snowman games begin. They line up in their places, each one anxious for his turn in the snowman races. 5 snowmen wait plus 1 snowman races. How many are there all together? So we're going to start with how many cubes? Yep, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to add 1 more. We're going to use our counting on strategy. So we know we have 5 plus 1 more is 6. Great job, friends. After everyone has had a chance at racing once or twice, they go on over to the pond to do skating tricks on ice. 7 snowmen skating, 3 fall down. How many are left skating? So we're going to start with how many? You got it. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And they said 3 fell down. So how many are left? So what are we going to do? Are we going to add or subtract? Goodness, you guys are so smart. That is exactly right. We are going to subtract. So we're going to take 3 of these snowmen away. 1, 2, 3. I have my 3 snowmen. I'm taking them away. How many are left? Perfect. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Way to go. Sometimes they start giggling and then they act like clowns. They bump into each other till they all fall down. So 2 plus 1 more. So we're going to start with 2. And we're going to add 1 more. How many do we have all together? Exactly. 2 plus 1 is 3. Great work. They gather up their snowballs. The pitcher takes his aim. And underneath the moonlit sky, they play a baseball game. No one knows just how it started, but soon it's quite a sight, with snowmen throwing snowballs in the world's best snowball fight. They're having a snowball fight at night, so maybe that is what these snowmen do at night. Then it's time for sledding. It's a wild ride down the hill. 7 snowmen were on the hill. 2 have sleds. How many do not have sleds? So we're going to start with 7 snowmen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2 have sleds. So how many do not? So we're going to take away 2, subtract 2, or take away. So there's my 1, 2. How many do not have sleds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 minus 2 equals 5. 5 snowmen were on the sled. 1 loses his hat. How many hats are left? So 5 minus 1 equals how many? So we're going to start with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it says 1 lost a hat. So we're going to take 1 cat away. How many are left? Let's see if you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Great work. Wahoo! They yell. This is by far the snowman's biggest thrill. Finally, they're tuckered out and getting sleepy. So they slowly gather up their things and one by one they go. So we're going to add 1 plus 1. 1 cube plus another cube equals how many cubes? You got it, 2. Great work. So if your snowman's grin is crooked or he's lost a little height, you'll know he's just been doing what snowmen do at night. You did such a great job today. Thank you so much for helping me with our snowman story. That was so neat to see what those snowmen do at night. And we got to practice our adding while we were talking about snowmen. So you can always take a book and look at the pictures and do a practice activity with some addition and subtraction with that. Make up your own word problems. So we're going to practice and we're going to see if we can find different number sentences with these numbers. All right, so we have 2 plus 3 equals 5. We're going to try to think of another number sentence. Let's think. What about 3 or 1? 1 plus what equals 5? You tell me 1 plus how many equals 5? You got it. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Now we're going to try to think of 2 subtraction sentences that make 5. So the first one, I have 6 cubes. I'm going to show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I want you to tell me how many I need to take away to get to 5. 6 minus, yes, you are so smart. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Way to go. One more. I'm going to give you 7. 7 take away or minus how many equals 5? How many do you need to take away from 7 to get to 5? Way to go. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 take away 2 equals 5. Great work. So you can write your own number sentences and practice with that. You can send it to your teacher through K-mail. Some learning tips from Tips for Your Learning Coaches. You can practice adding and subtracting with dominoes. You can add and subtract the numbers together that are on the domino. You can also go to education.com and get some printable subtraction and addition worksheets, or you can use the IXL information that your teacher has sent you. Here is our ticket out the door. I want you to pause this video and I want you to write or type 1 addition and 1 subtraction problem using these numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. So write 1 addition problem and 1 subtraction problem using the numbers 6 and 1. Great work. Thank you for doing that. I would like you to send that through K-mail to your teacher so they can see the wonderful work that you did with those problems. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you all had lots of fun, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.